A T-shirt shop website consists of three main sections: a header, body, and footer. Changes made to your header and footer area are shared across all pages. Changes made to the body area are for the page you are editing only. Content is constructed with rows and columns. Rows and columns are used to ensure your site will be responsive on all devices. As your site shrinks down on smaller devices, the rows will stack to ensure your content is always viewed. The width and height of your rows and columns can be easily adjusted to modify the layout of your website. To adjust the height and rows, simply select and drag the row on screen. To change the number of columns in a row, select the Row settings. And under the Column Settings tab, select the number of columns you want on your row. To resize columns, move your mouse cursor between columns and then drag to resize.